Hello friends, this is RK from RK Share Market. Hope you are doing well and good. This is a short video on Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. Which index option to choose for tomorrow's trade? Being a expiry, which strike price will give you a maximum benefit, whether it is a call option or put option. And also today evening, our FM Nirmala Sitharaman gave a big announcement on the lockdown reforms. What will be the impact on tomorrow's market? All these things will be shared in the short video. First of all, thanks for subscribing my video and also my YouTube channel. Keep do referring to your friends and help to grow this channel big. Let us go to the chart of Nifty. So Nifty on a 5 minutes candlestick chart, it looked like this, and hope you all know, like, it opened a very big gap up, and then it could not sustain the levels, and then it just started coming down, and you can see a lot of sideways market throughout the period. Like, it has not fallen below this 9,350, and it has not gone above this 9,450. So it was a kind of range bound stock throughout the day, but it gave a couple of levels through in between, like a few buys and sells if you are an intraday trader. And what this clearly means, this was in the kind of very big resistance zone. Also, you know, this 9,320 is one of the major level to watch out, because that is the 38% retracement level, and that is where it got its today's day got closed. And tomorrow, what you can expect tomorrow, most probably it is likely to fall, because after it is also already on a falling trend, and then this news only gave a hype of going up to this level, and there is no much of input from that reforms. Also, majority of the things have been given to MSMEs, and this is what it means. Like, chart will tell everything before the news comes. So based on this, I have recommended a couple of my friends to go with P on the Bank Nifty. Hopefully tomorrow they will be in the profitable zone, and that is what I am going to share on today's levels also. And on the Bank Nifty, if you see on a 5 minutes chart, it was like this. The same thing, it opened like a very big gap up and then shed all the points, and it was in the range bound between this 19,800 level to this 19,400 level. It was just giving, ranging between this 400 points, gave a couple of entries, one at this point and the second entry at this point. So able to catch up two buy levels, and one stop loss got hit when I was trying to go with a P over here. It just went near my target and then it reversed actually. So almost took 3 trades during this daytime. So it was a very good trading day. So overall it was a nice day. And what is the daily chart is telling us? So you can see there is a lot of selling pressure. The sellers are not letting to go the market up. And also it was on day before yesterday, I have not posted video for the last 2 days due to some trainings which are going on the late evenings from 6 to 8, or sometimes it is getting extended up to 9:30. So this was clearly visible that the news is going to come. You can see the buyers gave a kind of lot of pressure, and it clearly indicates that it might go, and it came into the very specific levels, this 18,800 to 18,900 zones, and after that it gave a kind of gap up. So tomorrow what you can expect? So tomorrow, this is the levels, because SGX Nifty is already trading negative because of the kind of very poor not meeting the expectations of the investors from this kind of reforms package. So tomorrow you can expect Bank Nifty to come and touch this support zone, and it might resist over there, and then maybe it will wait for the RBI policies and RBI's reforms to announce, and then it may bounce back again or something like that. So tomorrow the levels which you can watch out for Bank Nifty is around 19,100 levels. So what is there from the open interest? So in open interest, the same thing on Nifty also. Nifty, what you can expect? Sorry, it is going to catalog. So Nifty, again, it might cross over this 9,300 zones. I'll let it load. So tomorrow it might cross this 9,300 zone, and it might touch this 9,200 or 250 at the same closing point as day before yesterday's, and it might try to reverse, or it might consolidate. Let us see the tomorrow's candles, and then we will see on day after tomorrow. So tomorrow my expectation is 9,200, and it may drop a little bit. What is our open interest is saying? Open interest is clearly saying there is no support at this level. The huge resistance is over here, and also you can see the next 3 strike rates are almost empty. So 9,200 is where it could take a kind of little support, and then if it breaks this 9200 level, it will go straight down to 9000 level. So there is no big resistance on this call option side, only the support. The next support is at this point, and if it goes up, this resistance is placed at 9400. This 9400 guys will not allow Nifty to go up. Okay, 9400 will be your maximum resistance, and then the support will be at 9200, where it will open tomorrow. If these guys wind up, then definitely it will go down. And you can see already this position is taking a wind up, so you can expect some big is going to happen in the coming weeks. What is there for us in Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty, because it is too dizzy, so it is very tricky to analyze with this option chain, because here also 28, here also 90, like this. So this guy, if it breaks this 19,500 level, it might go up to this 19,000 level, where it will take a major support. If it fails to take a support, it will drop up to this 18,800 or 18,900 level, where it is having a major support. So that is what you can expect from tomorrow's trade. Let us go to the levels. So my recommendation for tomorrow is 9000 put option, which is OTM currently, and it will be in the money put option tomorrow, or most probably at the money put option tomorrow. So hope you will enjoy this one, and try to be play safe. And from the Bank Nifty side, 19,400, which is almost again out of market, out of the money, and most probably it will be in the money tomorrow. I'm expecting it market to open at 19,300 level, and it might go up to 19,000 levels in Bank Nifty. So hope you will enjoy this, and based on the levels and your kind of premium taking capability, you can go either below this 19,300 or 19,200 based on the levels opening. But my recommendation is 19,400 for Bank Nifty and 9,200 for Nifty. Have a profitable and a beautiful expiry day tomorrow. All the very best, and bye.